Hello everyone, welcome back to a new lesson. In this lesson, I am going to share with you if you are using Instamojo links, how to know who are the persons who are clicking your links and are getting dropped off because they are not finalizing their payments. See, if there are some persons who are filling their details like name, email ID, phone number, and finally they are ending up without confirming the payment when they have to select the payment like UPI or bank payment or credit card, debit card, whatever are the options over there. So you have to be very careful that there are people who are coming to your link but they are not paying you finally. There might be two reasons. One is they are not mentally ready to pay you, or the other reason is they are getting some issues, they are getting some technical issues, or they don't know how to pay via UPI, what is their UPI number. So this might be the reason in so many cases. So if this is the reason, then you can get a solution. How to implement this solution? See, I am clicking on this Instamojo app, and the moment I click on this Instamojo app, you can see I am already logged in Instamojo. So in the manage option, you can see there is an option app store. There is an option app store. You just have to go to the app store option, and there you will find lead manager option. So here you can see the red colored option, leads manager. So in this leads manager, you can see it is subscribed. You just, if you are a new one and you are not subscribed to this leads manager option, you have to subscribe to this leads manager. And you can see it is already subscribed, and there is the option view details. So I just clicked on this leads manager. What you have to do after subscribing this leads manager, you just have to go to this option, just open this option, and here you can see leads manager. There is one thing, add a lead, and in the right side you can see actions. So what you can do, the purpose is the people who ended up without paying you finally, you can get their email IDs, and here is the option, you can send them email. You can see export CSV, you can export their data, their name and email IDs, and their details. And you can do one other thing, that is you can send them email manually, and you can do this automatically to all those people simultaneously. So what you have to do, you can see there are some names under select all. You can see there are some names. So these are the persons who, some of them did me payment, and some of them could not do the payment. Is just because they don't know how to pay via UPI payment options. See, inside Instamojo there are so many options how to pay. Some of them don't know how to do the net banking, some of them don't know how to give their debit card details and pay, some of them don't know how to use the UPI number and pay. So I can do one thing, I can select all. There you can see 37 selected, and there you can see another option, leads converted. So leads collected means the people who did not finally paid you, who did not finally pay you, right? And in this case leads converted, here you can see the persons who tried to pay you failed. They were inside this leads collected options, and the moment I sent them emails from that option, they gave their details, they were able to pay, or they decided finally to pay you. So here are the options, here are the names, you can see who paid me finally. So what you can do, you just have to go to the lead collected option, and if you want to send all of them email simultaneously, then you have to select all. Otherwise, if you want to send any particular person to if you want to send them reminder email, like let's say for example Orko Puspo. So Orko Puspo Manager, I just selected this person, and he is one of my student, Orko Puspo. So here is the option send email. If I click on send email, then you can see compose email. So here will be the subject of that email that you want to send that particular person, and in email body you can type the text that you want to make them a reminder, or you want to send them reminder to pay you, or you can send them any other details. You just have to type this over here and just tap on this send email button. The moment you do this, the email that they will receive, they will go to the email, they will read the email, whatever instructions you are giving, and then there is huge chance that they will be converted. So it is a very nice option offered by Instamojo, and this process is completely free. You can do this of your own. You can do this just by some mouse clicks. You can write the texts of your own and save this in any notepad, in any notes apps. So you just have to copy that particular subject of the body, subject and the email that you are going to write on that email body as a text, and just tap on the send email button. So this is all that you have to do for those of the leads which are not converted yet. Okay, so this is one of the most important process that you have to implement if you are using Instamojo funnel, and if you are not getting the leads converted. So this happens in most of the cases, almost in most of the cases, because all of the links created by Instamojo, there are so many people who don't pay finally. And I am getting the data from advertisements that there are hundreds and more than hundreds of clicks. Out of them only 3 to 4 are converted. So the chances is there are so many pending who are not converted, and just by sending this email you will get another 4 to 5 conversions. So this is huge, and this is really very beneficial. I have got the benefit, you will too. So just take action and implement this in your case. So thank you so much for watching this video.